Hi teacher, good night. My name is Andres Nieto and I have 26 years old. I study engine industrial and I like to listen music. I study English in the group 997 in the UNAT University. I live in Villavicencio Meta and study in Acacias. Okay, I was traveling with my cousin, my daddy, my mother, my brother, and my sister to Melgar, Tolima. We enjoyed it on vacation in the club in Melgar. Melgar is very hot, and very sunny, very sunny. Sometimes and would go the pole and walk in the club. When I was thirsty and drank water, never liquor, never. After the week, we return go home, be happy.